Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn how to get this look right over here, which is inspired by Kyliejenner's collection that she launched for Christmas, the Grinch collection. So this look right over here.
For this, been around this, broken down for way too long. Left my home for this, starry-eyed.
So if you guys are interested in finding out how to get that look, stay tuned to this video. You guys know that I always like to start off with eyes. First off though, we are going to go ahead and add some moisturizer to our skin. I'm going to be using the Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of this on our face. Now we can go ahead and add on our eyeshadow shield, my favorite. Like I said, you can get these on Amazon. I'll go ahead and add a link in the description below, so if you guys want to go ahead and purchase them, they're available right there. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes now. This is the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer Base. This is one of my favorites. The first palette that we're going to be starting off with is the Morphe Jeffree Star palette. I'm going to be using the shade Back and also 1985. I'm going to be using these as transition colors for my crease. Let's get started.
I'm too old for this, been around this, broken down for way too long. Left my home for this, starry-eyed, it's no surprise, things went wrong. What was I thinking, babe? All the mistakes I made.
Starting to focus on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and just line that with a concealer. I'm using RCMA and KA3.
You say my worries free, now I got to change my mind. I'm coming home.
Now that we have our lid nice and defined, I'm going to go ahead in with the first palette I'm going to be using on the lid, and that is the Henk & Henry Las Hermanas palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Las Hermanas. Moving on, we're going back to the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and we're going to be going in now with the shade Glam Rapid. Let's go ahead and get these eyeshadow shields off and move on to the eyeliner. I'm going to be using Glam Vice Cosmetics eyeliner in Disco Fever along with their 001 brush.
Waiting for the check. We had made love earlier that day.
Alright, let's go ahead and get that onto the other eye. Alright, perfect. Moving on. Let's go ahead and add some lashes to this look. Today I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in the style Miami. Let's go ahead and get these on. Lashes looking great. I do want to go ahead and spruce this up a little bit more, so I'm going to go back in with another Glam Vice Cosmetics eyeliner. This is in the shade Key Lime.
Pictures of you with flowers on the wall. Think I like you.
Let's go ahead and throw that onto the other eye as well. Yes, alright. So we're going to go ahead and add a full face of makeup. I'm not going to do this on camera, but stay tuned because I am going to be posting a updated full face glam routine very soon. But anyway, let's jump into this full face glam for tonight, and I'll be right back. I just love coming back to a full face. Like, who is she? Who is she? Anyway, can't be a bad bitch without good lips. So I'm going to go ahead in now with the Huda Beauty Lip Liner Lip Contour in Spice Girl. we're gonna go in now with Fenty Beauty. This is lip paint in the shade Unveil. Let's give these lips a little shine. I'm gonna go in with Fenty Beauty again. This is lip gloss in Glass Slipper. I'm seriously living for this look. Change of clothes is much needed. And we're back. Here is the final look inspired by Kyliejenner's Grinch collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You know the deal. Please make sure to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please make sure to follow my Instagram page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.